fire! Shot fire! Shot fire! Don't move! Stop!
Get your hands out!
Shot fire! Shot fire!
Lay on your stomach now. Lay on your stomach so we can help. Lay on your stomach, let go of the knife. Drop it. Drop the knife. Now turn on your stomach so we can help.
Prosecutors say that on December 12, 2025, just after 12:24, 38-year-old Mohamed Morray Bangura called 911 from the Bellevue Transit Center just east of Seattle and reported a domestic violence emergency, but later, court documents describe that call as a lure. Two officers arrived calm, asking about the call the day before. Bangura had tried to file a formal complaint against a Bellevue officer tied to an earlier harassment case. Before that, reports say Bangura had argued with a security guard near a church after refusing to leave. Bellevue police responded, told him the harassment case would be referred for charges, and allowed him to walk away, say Aid Allure.
What's up, dude?
Officer Morgan tried to put a false case on me.
The first crack is small, not a chase, not a weapon on screen, just a question. Are you the one that called about the DV? And he says yes.
Are you the one that called about the DV that happened right now?
The TV?
No, DV. Domestic. And are people arguing?
Yeah.
But then the answer bends. He called. He said there were people arguing, and now he says he did not see anything. So the officer tries to finish the first problem before the second one.
You said to dispatch you saw two people arguing. Okay, let's get to that first, and then we go to the second part.
Yeah. So that was happening over.
Then the space gets smaller, the sentence does not finish cleanly, and the sound changes first and then...
Hey!
This is the legal doorway, not the verdict. Officers are dealing with a reported disturbance, a caller whose story is shifting, and a body cam angle that does not show everything free.
Shot fire! Shot fire! Shot fire! Don't move! Stop!
Get your hands out.
Shot fire! Shot fire!
Lay on your stomach now. Lay on your stomach so we can help.
At this point, the case stops being about whether the call sounded odd. It becomes about what officers believe they are seeing in a very small space, a hand, a command, and a frame that does not show enough. And this is the line that rewrites the call, not because the camera explains everything, but because the audio gives the next hard fact.
You understand? Knife still in his hand. Lay on your stomach, let go of the knife. Drop it.
Drop the knife!
Turn on your stomach so we can help you. Shots fired, shots fired. Don't move, stop. Don't move, get your hands out. Get your hands out. Lay on your stomach. I've got call-outs. Lay on your stomach now. Lay on your stomach so we can help you. Do you understand? Knife still in his hand. Lay on your stomach, let go of the knife. Drop it. Drop the knife. Now turn on your stomach so we can help.
After the shots, both men go to Harborview. Officer Weinbrenner survives, but reports say the injuries were not small. A cut across the face, stab wounds to the back, a dislocated shoulder, and a broken collarbones. The scene is no longer only about force, it is about survival.
Tag out for a second.
Guillermo, fire. Do not move. Don't move. Do not move.
Hey. Am I hurt? Will you take him? Check him. Can you check me?
And a few minutes later, the situation appeared to sink in.
Are you okay?
Hey man, he hit Sean, bro!
God.
Sean's bleeding, bro!
Okay. Yep.
Sean's bleeding, bro!
Come on.
Hey, dude!
I know. Come on.
Court records show Mohamed Bangura has not been convicted. He pleaded not guilty in court. Court documents say the domestic violence report was bogus and was intended to lure officers to the Bellevue Transit Center. After the attack, another officer shot and injured Bangura. He remains in the King County Jail on $5 million bail. So was this a real emergency call or a trap?